Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my one of my favorite boxes, Anita Apothecary. She's not a month-to-month subscription. She kind of puts them out when she is called to, and this is her dream box. I'm very excited to open because dream magic is one of my favorite types of magic. So it is open, but I haven't looked inside yet. My husband just opened it to take the labels off. So let's check it out. I actually had to start over again too because I wanted to put another light since I've gotten some feedback that there's not enough light in my recent videos. So here is the dream box. I usually read this at the end because I don't want to spoil the surprise. Okay. What is this? I think this is like a star or something. I don't know. Oops, I don't want to break it. But we'll see when I read the insert. A moon pie. So my kid's going to be totally psyched about this. Moon pie. Ooh, I love all of her stuff. Okay. Alright, this one's wrapped pretty good. Alright. Oh. Dream magic. Ooh. Let's see. I wonder if you could see all the little pretty little stars. So I love her candles. They always smell divine. I can't pinpoint what I'm smelling, but I know it smells great. Let's see. Ooh. Ooh, we got some herbs here. Oh. The Luna Brew. Organic loose leaf evening tea. Peppermint, ginger, lavender, mugwort, orange peel, fennel, lemon balm, chamomile, rose petals, papaya leaf. Look at all that herby goodness. Smells good. Smells really yum. Yum. All right. Okay, let's open this. Trying to be gentle because one time I was opening a beautiful alchemy box and I broke the candle. And so I do not want a repeat experience. Hey! Beautiful. Really, really beautiful selenite tower. Lovely. I can see this. This is really pretty. So funny story. I got one of these from an Anita Apothecary box. Like, I can't even remember which one it was. But it was just a plain silver one. And almost immediately I broke it. So this is very nice. And I'll try to be a little more delicate with that one. We've got a moon bag here. Ooh. It's got some padding inside of it. So let us see what is in it. Ooh. Oh, pretty. Some little Luna earrings. Some jasmine oil for lucid dreaming, astral protection, and prophetic dreams in a really pretty bottle. And then some pure mugwort oil. That's pretty cool. Love the bag. La Luna is one of my favorite symbols. Oh, what do we got here? Wow. Whoa. Ah. It's wrapped in twine, which is pretty cool. I love things wrapped in twine. Okay, I've got the twine here. Save that. I save most everything. I try to save or use almost every single thing in all of my boxes. Ooh, wow. Look at this behemoth. Wow. Whoa. We got a ginormous smudge of some sort. My goodness. Alright. Oops, sorry. Mugwort oil. We'll just make sure that I got everything. Alright. Let's see. Moon Over Me Almanac card. Beautiful. Oh, and a little magnet. Very nice. And it's all the information for 2019. I already track this every day in my Vujo, or in my Book of Shadows actually. But very cool. I love it. Alright, let's check it out. The Dream Box. The Dream Box theme was chosen because of the fascination so many of us share with the magic and wonder of the dream realm, where anything is possible. Lucid dreaming, when you are dreaming and know you're dreaming, and even having some control over the dream itself. There are herbs, crystals, and other tools and objects that can help you achieve a lucid dreaming state. This box contains some items that are well known for their aid and abilities, but know that lucid dreaming takes practice. I also included some smaller fun things in addition to the ritual tools. I hope you enjoy them. This box was created to aid you in dream work, astral projection, and lucid dreaming, as well as a splash of fun thrown in. I hope you find the items inside useful to your craft. Made with love, intention, and magic from my home to yours, I truly hope that you enjoy what I've curated for you in this box. Love, Marie and little Anita. Alright. Dream Magic Chamomile Soy Candle. Her candles are wonderful. Hand poured and designed using 100% soy wax and an eco cotton wick, and scented with chamomile for a relaxing aroma. La Luna Dream Tea. That's what I call it too. I love that. La Luna Dream Tea. This beautiful and popular evening tea is full of everything you need to help you fall asleep and have enchanting dreams. Each 6-ounce jar holds lavender flowers, mugwort, peppermint, ginger, lemon peel, fennel, lemon balm, chamomile, papaya leaf, and rose petals. I may actually use this. I actually used her cold remedy tea, and it did help me get over a cold. So I really love this kind of magic. I guess I could use more teas for the same thing, but hey, well, we'll get to that when we get to that. Rainbow Tea Strainer. I hope these little tree strainers will add some happiness to your cup of tea. Classic Moon Pie. I came across these and thought they would be so fun to add to the box. If you've never had one, give it a try. They've been around for over 100 years. Selenite Crystal Tower. Selenite comes from the Greek word Selene, goddess of the moon. It is a stone of protection and dispels negative energy. Therefore, it's wonderful to have near you when you are sleeping. It works to protect the dreamer while they're in a dream state. It is a high vibrational stone used to open and clear the crown chakra, and great for all types of spiritual work. Little Moon Earrings. Handcrafted, these mother of pearl earrings are a great way to add a little celestial love to your day. Lunar Moon Face Magnet. These magnets are a great way to keep track of the current lunar cycle and aid in the timing of your spell work. Paper Star Lantern. Oh, a little paper lantern for your home. Carefully work each session and fold it open and hang somewhere that needs a little sparkle. I will have to carefully open this. That's really cute. Pure mugwort oil. Hand brewed for the strongest concentration of pure mugwort oil. I suggest rubbing a few drops onto the soles of your feet before bedtime to help aid in providing stimulating dreams. Mugwort has long been used as a major tool in lucid dreaming. It is by far one of the most popular and well-received herbs for dream work and a personal favorite. Jasmine oil. Known for its qualities in astral travel, lucid dreaming, prophetic dreams, spirituality, and lunar magic, jasmine, which blooms at night, is deeply connected with femininity and moon goddesses. Large mugwort smudge. Mugwort, also sometimes known as black sage, is a very powerful herb in dream work. Use your mugwort smudge wand for divination, clairvoyance, and of course dream work. Cool. We hope you enjoyed this box, and we thank you from the bottom of our hearts for supporting a small handmade business. We couldn't make these boxes without all your love and support. XO Marie and Anita. So she has a coupon for her Etsy shop. Future themes are Divination box, Mercury retrograde box, Sea Magic box, The Magical Garden. I can't wait. Please tag us if you do an unboxing video or post a blog. I totally will. We would love to see it. Each box is carefully packed and inspected, but should you have any problems, broken items, etc., please contact us. I've said it before, and I'll say it again. Anita Apothecary is one of my very favorite boxes. There's a lot of, I can feel her intention, her care, her whimsy, and, you know, her love that she puts into her craft and her items. I usually use almost every item in the box myself, and pretty quickly at that. I really like it, especially the candles. I like everything in the box quite a bit, and I'm really intrigued. I had one bad experience. Get out!
I'm gonna wash my hands.
Oh, Lord have mercy. I had one bad experience with lucid dreaming when I was young, and so I'm kind of hesitant to do it again, but that's a story for another day. So check it out, like, comment, tell me what you think. I will leave a link. I don't think they'll still be available. They sell out pretty quickly, but they might, so check it out. And as always, if you haven't already, please subscribe, and I look forward to chatting with you guys. Thanks for watching.